Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up email sign up and verification using Bubble, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up email sign up and verification using Bubble, begin by logging into your Bubble account. Create a new application or open an existing one. Go to the Design tab in the editor. Drag and drop an input element onto your page for users to enter their email addresses. Label the input as email address. Next, add a button element beneath the input. Label the button as Sign Up. Now, let's create a workflow for the sign up process. Click on the Workflow tab at the top of the editor. Select the When button is clicked event for your sign up button. Add an action to create a new user in the workflow. Set the user's email to the value from the input element. Next, let's set up email verification. Go to the Settings tab and then click on the API section. Enable the Send Email via Bubble option. Return to your workflow and add an action to send an email after the user is created. In the email settings, specify the recipient as the new user's email. Craft a verification email message containing a unique verification link. To create the link, use Bubble's Unique ID feature. Now, let's handle the verification process. Create a new page in your app for email verification purposes. On this page, add a workflow to capture the verification link. Use the link to retrieve the user associated with the email. Once the user is found, mark them as verified. Update the user's status accordingly in the database. Ensure to provide confirmation feedback on the verification page. Finally, test the entire sign-up and verification process. Make adjustments as needed based on your testing. With these steps, you have successfully set up email sign-up and verification in Bubble. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.